Now we will see what is the various mode of reproduction in case of algae. In case of algae, we are having vegetative mode of reproduction where through fragmentation it takes place. Then we are having asexual mode, which is through the spores. Then we are having the sexual reproduction, that is basically from the fusion of two gametes. One is the male gamete, other is the female gamete. Now we are having the importance of algae. How algae is important? At least half of the total carbon dioxide fixation on earth is basically carried out by the algae, and it basically increases the dissolved oxygen level in the environment. Moreover, we are having a algin which is obtained from the brown algae that act as commercially usage to thicken the substances. Now we are having different classes of algae. First is the chlorophyceae, which is also called green algae. Main pigments are A and B. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Now we are having perinoids. What are perinoids? These are the proteinaceous components which act as a source of having the storage of the starch, and basically they are present in the chloroplast. Example is the volvox. Now we will see the next type. We are having the phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae means brown algae which is having the pigment A and C along with the fucoxanthin. Cell wall has cellulose which is having a gelatinous coating. Gelatinous coating means which is having the gel-like coating. Mannitol and limarin are the reserve food material. Body is basically divided into three. First is the holdfast, then stipe, then frond. Example is Ectocarpus. Now we are having the rhodophyceae. Rhodo means red algae, which is having red in color, having the pigments A and D along with the R-fucoerythrin. Why we consider this component? Because it gives red color. Okay. Found on the surface as well as great depth. It is basically found, this algae is found in the depth region. Cell wall is made up of cellulose and the reserve food material is stored in a form of Freudian starch. Example is Polysymphonia. Now these are some of the assignment questions that you go through it so that you can have the idea of today's topic.